Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer Ethereum from your Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's 2025 now, and with all the advancements in blockchain tech, transferring ETH has become even smoother, but security is still key. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. This app is user-friendly and integrates with tons of blockchains, making it perfect for Ethereum. Open the app and unlock it with your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you set up. Once you're in, head to the Wallets section and select your Ethereum wallet. You'll see your ETH balance right there. Exciting, right? Next, tap on the Send button. This is where the magic happens. You'll need the recipient's Ethereum address. Double-check this. Typos can lead to lost funds forever. Paste or scan the address into the field provided. Now, enter the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees or gas fees are more predictable thanks to upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, but still keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the estimated fees. If you're using a hardware wallet for extra security, make sure it's connected. Once you're good, tap Send and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security prompt. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's done, usually within seconds to minutes, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always use a secure network, like your home Wi-Fi, and never share your private keys. If you're transferring a large amount, consider using multi-signature wallets for added protection. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Ethereum. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.